Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a line chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a line chart on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show. So first of all, I just going to add a slideshow, and then I just going to click on this icon on the bottom section. Now you just scroll down and you can see an option called chart. Click on this, and I will change the column chart option to the line chart option on the third section. And here you can find the line chart. If you just want to change the theme, just swipe and you can have a more designs up to 5 pages. So after selecting the design or theme color, you just click on those and click OK option. Now you can see the chart has been inserted. Now just click on the edit data option on the bottom section. Here you can just change the data by just clicking on the cell, and you can just update it and click OK, which actually change the line chart. Then you can also switch the rows if you just need it like this, and also click on this icon option, and here you can change the shade of the or color of the line on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.